You've likely heard some buzz about Clubhouse, a new social media app that's invitation only and designed for real-time connection. But did you know it currently has 10 million users? Yes, you heard me right, 10 million users. For an app that's currently only available for iOS, 10 million users for an app that isn't even open for everyone. You have to have an invitation to use the Clubhouse. So let's roll and get some invites for you and me. What is Clubhouse? In short, Clubhouse is an audio-based social media app. The company describes itself as a new type of social product based on voice that allows people everywhere to talk, tell stories, develop ideas, deepen friendships, and meet interesting new people around the world. You can jump in and out of different chats on different subjects in something akin to a live, free-flowing podcast. You can simply listen or choose to throw in your thoughts. Imagine a cocktail party or Clubhouse. Vogue described the app's experience as a dizzying bringing together of live podcast-style conversations, panel discussions, networking opportunities, some savvy people are already swapping influencer for moderator, and advantageous multiple room use. Locked and private options are also available, so you can talk to pals too. The social media app mimics real-life interactions. The audio itself, however, doesn't leave the app. That's the main rule. There's no recording of conversations, and they're not saved. Last summer, the social media app Clubhouse had just a few thousand users, mostly Silicon Valley tech workers and venture capitalists who wanted to connect during the pandemic. Today, it has millions of users, a valuation of roughly $1 billion, and a ton of buzz. Both the Tesla chief executive Elon Musk and the Facebook head Mark Zuckerberg recently appeared on Clubhouse, causing such a stir that the platform nearly crashed. Still, it remains a small club, so to speak, certainly when compared with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you've heard about it and want to know what the fuss is about, here's a primer. Clubhouse is invite only for now. You can't just download it off the App Store and create an account. Much like a real-life country or yacht club, you have to be invited to join by an existing member. What am I supposed to listen to on Clubhouse? When you finally get access, the app offers a page full of conversational topics to follow, from sports to tech to world affairs to faith to hustle and on and on. In each, you'll find people interested in the same thing, and you can follow them. The more topics and people you follow, the more likely you are to get suggestions for a room that fits your desires. How can you get an invite? Clubhouse is currently available only on iOS. Each person invited to join is, in turn, given invitations to hand out. Users who are active on the platform are granted more invites. So try hitting up a friend or colleague already on the app. If that fails, you may be able to buy your way in. Invitations are going for between $30 and $20,000 on eBay. But be aware that Clubhouse lacks some of the privacy filters of other platforms. Or you can wait. The Clubhouse website suggests the app will open up to a wider audience or everyone in time. Who uses Clubhouse? Clubhouse is big with celebrities. Float around the app and you might hear folks like Elon Musk, Oprah, Kevin Hart, Drake, Chris Rock, or Ashton Kutcher. They might even host chats. In some ways, that's part of Clubhouse's appeal. You get the chance to hear and even participate in unvarnished conversations with famous and powerful people. Refinery29 described networking as the primary reason for Clubhouse's rising popularity. Other than celebrities, the app is seemingly focused on people it considers an elite clientele. It became a status symbol of sorts for Silicon Valley types after its launch last year. The whole invite-only thing was taken pretty seriously, but it's now growing. Taylor Lawrence for the New York Times reported in December that it had 600,000 registered users and has been courting influencers. And as of now, The Clubhouse app is available for iOS or Apple users only. It will take 2 to 3 months to get hands-on with the app for Android users. So what do you think? Will the Clubhouse app be the next Facebook or Twitter? Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is WC Daily.